Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve contacts not showing on WhatsApp. To know how to fix or how to solve contacts not showing on WhatsApp, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of WhatsApp and we click. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. You can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.